How to use Kodi Xenon free. Make sure Kodi 21.2 is installed on your device. If not, download and install the latest official version from the Kodi website or your device's app store. Open Kodi from the gear icon in settings, select file manager, then choose add source. Click on none and enter the digs repository URL exactly as provided. Confirm by clicking OK, then go back to the main menu and select add-ons. Choose install from zip file. Find the digs repository source you added and select the zip file to install the repository. After installation, select install from repository, find the digs repository, and then go to the program add-ons. Find and install the Chief Omega Wizard or similarly named wizard. Open the Chief Omega Wizard from add-ons, go to the build menu and select Digs Xenon free to install the free version of the build. Follow the prompts to download and install the build, confirming when asked. After installation completes, Kodi may force close. Reopen Kodi to load the Xenon build. When Kodi restarts, be patient as it updates add-ons and dependencies. This may take a few minutes. Customize skins if prompted by applying the Xenon free skin to allow the background installation to complete. Enjoy your freshly installed Digs Xenon build with various media add-ons available for streaming. Subscribe.